Yep.
We're back.
What was it?
I need a new battery.
So you got a new battery for it?
I have 2 new batteries for it.
Oh, I'm not camera ready.
Man, you ain't about to record now.
Man, got a snap-on jacket. Didn't even work.
Just want y'all to see that Birdo ain't.
Look at that.
Birdo doesn't have any tools, but he has a snap-on jacket.
Works for
Just wanted you to
nothing.
see the camera.
This is a worker's jacket. You get this when you spend money at Snap-on, you know, and actually do work. Not given to you for a birthday present.
John Stockton his snap-on payment like $2.
Yeah, all right.
Stop it, man. Got a snap-on jacket.
Right here, this is the best right here.
I'm real live. Hey, nobody wants a Madco jacket, Fidel.
Yeah, Madco, bro.
It's $2 now because I worked it down from where it was. That's how Snap-on get you. They get you that high payment, and then when you close to paying off, they drop it down.
Terrible. Here you go, Birdo.
Here at Performance TV.
Follow all of us.
You about to weld something?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Gonna weld his whole camera.
Good. I like it. A little dirty, but she riding. She riding.
You know, so to dial in the shift points with Derek.
This is headers and tune.
Headers, intake, and tune. Literally picked up 60 over stock. 65-ish.
She boogieing.
She's good, man.
This is Came from Florida. Drove through a snowstorm.
I was gonna put air in his tire. Whose tire? This tire's about to get flat. You gonna reach right there?
All right, we're back. I'm surprised that you actually charged it.
I didn't.
Nah, you did. You did it?
However you gave it to me, I threw it in the truck and it's been the exact
For real?
same place. I haven't even touched it.
Oh, it didn't have. Well, I don't know. Maybe.
You right, Chief.
I don't know. I don't know.
I was like, hold on, I did?
I was like, I thought it was on low battery when I gave it to you. 'Cause that's why I brought
You
the.
told me it was. That's why when you just asked me for it, I was like, well, he's about
Yeah.
to be low because it's about to be dead.
That's what I thought. Because I brought the other battery. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just charge. It's good, Chi. What are you doing over there?
You need it. You hate Tiger Woods, John?
What?
John likes Tiger Woods.
All these parts. Got the brick. Got the lid.
It's supposed to be back to back.
That would be
Bolts.
like
Got the
a month
supercharger.
Yeah.
Same.
Water
Tiger
pump.
Woods car.
The valve covers, lifters, heads. This the intake, throttle body. Those are Mopar heads. Not Corvette related. Corvette related. It's good. Famous guy?
I'm famous.
Nice face. Just get everybody's face. What's up, John? John's pretty sweet. Okay. Okay, Chi, I see you. I see you.
You making a video again?
Yeah.
Is it gonna come out?
Yeah, what do you mean?
You filmed a lot. Never.
Oh, yeah.
About to be done Thursday.
Oh, is it?
Only 2 days. It's a lot of time.
It's a lot of time. What, cam?
Sure can. All the parts behind the car too. Under the hood, ice tank, cam kit.
Yeah, tell him, Chief. That's John's. That's his car. So if you don't follow my boy already, you know, follow him. So these are headers. That light, a little better lighting. Mr. Probably made it for us. I don't know. AN performance. I don't know. A lot of Texas speed stuff. I don't know why this has duct tape on it. There you go. Pulley with a DSX pulley. So we're guessing on how much the supercharger weighs. How much are you saying? Before? Damn, you already read
Yeah, I already looked it up.
Damn hard. How much do you think that supercharger weighs?
75.
She says 75.
Maybe like,
50 to 75.
I don't know.
Because it's awkward to carry. That's why it makes it seem heavy.
Yeah.
I give it maybe,
Fine, that's
maybe like 65, something like that.
I'm gonna say 106.
Nah, it's less than 100. I mean, I'm just basing off of like curling and like that. You know what I'm saying? You know.
Put these dumbbells
Huh?
Say 70 pounds right here.
I don't believe it.
It's not that heavy. I mean, it's heavy, but it's not like.
Heavy.
Yeah. I mean, with everything, it might add like a little bit under 200. Depending on what all you do. Though. 'Cause if you just add the blower and like some coolant, not an ice thing and all that. True. Turbo's heavy too though.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah. About 60, 65.
Oh, No, no.
That's what I'm saying. So maybe
Getting ready to drop out the trans. What's about to happen, Chief?
Dropping the trans real quick so we could build a second trans while the first trans is still at tick being built. So yeah, we're going with plan B right now. So literally we ordered the ultimate 4-speed dog box, face plated or whatever you want to call it, from Tick Performance. And that was in December. Yeah, that was in December we ordered that. And it's still waiting on a gear set from G-Force. So it's not gonna be ready in time for Texas 2K. They're saying I won't have that trans till end of March, beginning of April. Well, Texas is in the middle of March. So that doesn't fit the budget. So today I just literally spent more money on this money pit and ordered all new and overnighted everything. So like a carbon synchro kit, G-Force main shaft, everything to make this trans good as a plan B trans, which will be in the car for Texas. So it'll still be 6-speed, be a built trans, but a 6-speed version, just not faceplated. It'll still be synchronized. But it should be a brand new trans with all new carbon blockers and then like the brass shift plate, whatever. I got so much stuff going on in my head right now, I can't even remember the parts. But yeah, so I'm a little frustrated that I'm building a second trans when I already paid a whole lot of money for one trans. But it is what it is. And these are the things we do to do things we like, I guess.
That's right.
You could say. So yeah. So dropping this out right now, we're gonna build this trans in-house. I overnighted all the parts, so we're gonna do it here. And so I'm about to drop it out real quick. We're gonna try to rebuild it. The heads are at the machine shop because I had the head gasket issue.
Oh yeah.
So I dropped the heads off at the machine shop, and a few other things that I'm getting done, and then so I'm gonna just have this out. So yeah, we're just tearing the car apart, and it's supposed to be on a truck to Texas. And today's the 23rd of February. It leaves the 10th of March. And I gotta get this done so we can do the V2, because that car doesn't even have a motor.
Oh, so, damn, I just remembered that.
Yeah, so I thought everything was sweet once we started making leadway with this today. Then I remembered there's still a whole nother car to do.
Yeah.
So yeah, in the middle of all that, we still got business to run. So Cheese over there doing what he does.
Yeah.
And while Cheese making us money, I'm over here spending us money. So yeah. Thank you, customers.
Yeah, of course.
Without you guys, none of this is possible. So, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Shook it one time after like 10 times, and it just came right out. Diff off of it though. Get up here.
Look at that.
Where did
Just shot this.
from?
Transmission. Differential.
Sad that we do it so fast though.
Yeah.
I started at 4:15. It's 5:30.
Yeah. Wait. Boy, it's 4:37.
Oh, then I started at 3:15.
Yeah. I was like, hold on, what?
Oh yeah, it's not 5.
Yeah.
Sorry. I started at 3:15.
Yeah, so like an hour.
Yeah.
A little bit less.
And I stopped. I had to go get this next door. And
Yeah.
I told you I could take it out in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
So we've been out. This is transmission what?
3?
4?
4?
And we're about to basically go to transmission 5 now because we're gonna completely rebuild this. We're just gonna use the case.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be the 5th trans going in. And then when we get back from Texas, we're gonna take it all back out to go to the new setup. That'll be transmission 6.
Horrible.
The life chose to live.
Horrible. That's all that boost does for you. Look. A little subway. The new head gaskets. So, yeah, torque tube, trans. Subframe is out.
Everything is out. Literally a block in the car.
I've been in the office for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. 15 minutes max.
Yeah, don't take long.
There you go. True.
Everything out, Rasta.
We'll see where he's at in the process tomorrow. I'm not sure what he's gonna do tomorrow, but I know he wanted to take the trans out. Trans is out.
Good one.
It's down there. So I guess just wait for the parts to be shipped so we can rebuild it and go from there. She is doing well. That's what we're gonna say.
Huh?
She's doing well.
Lifters in.
Yeah.
Hams in, lifters in.
There it is.
And I'm gonna do the springs.
True.
Add some.
It's a lot of parts. Quick update. Heads are on. Valve covers are on. What's the next step, Sheen?
Just an AC belt. The rest of the exhausts for now.
Here we go.